We're sitting here with Melinda, and we did stem cell therapy with Melinda for plantar fasciitis, and she's had a really great experience, and we were just discussing what's happened over the last couple of months. So Melinda, if you could just kind of comment on a couple of things you were just sharing with me.
Yes, well, when I came for this therapy, I was experiencing a great deal of pain. It was in my left foot, and after the therapy, very, very quickly I noticed an improvement in my foot. I can walk again. Most of the time I don't even notice any pain, and if I do, it's because I've really, really stressed it out, but it's gone away. So
That's fantastic. So you'd recommend this to others?
I absolutely would.
All right, well, thank you. I appreciate it. We're sitting here with Lorraine, and Lorraine had her stem cells done about 6 weeks ago, and she was having problems with her neck, some headaches and knee pain, and we were just talking about the great results we've had. So, Lorraine, if you could just kind of recap what we were just discussing, that'd be great.
Well, since my stem cell injections, I have not experienced any of the migraine headaches that I was getting with the changes in barometric pressure, which for me is marvelous. It means no medications. Also have noticed some great improvement in my right knee. I no longer ratchet when I bend over to do yard work or clean anything in the house. And so I'm expecting nothing but good things from this point on.
Good. So you're excited so far?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I appreciate you doing this. There's a lot of people that need help, so thank you.
You're welcome.